Camille Pissarro was born on the island of St. Thomas. His father was of Portuguese Jewish descent and held French nationality. His mother was from a French Jewish family from the island of St. Thomas. He later studied and worked alongside Georges Seurat and Paul Signac when he took on Neo-Impressionist style at the age of 54. In 1873, he helped establish a collective society of 15 aspiring artists, becoming the pivotal figure in holding the group together and encouraging the other members. Art historian John Rewald called Pissarro the dean of the Impressionist painters, not only because he was the oldest of the group, but also by virtue of his wisdom and his balanced, kind, and warm-hearted personality. Paul Cézanne said, "He was a father for me, a man to consult and a little like the good Lord." And he was also one of Paul Gauguin's masters. Pierre Renoir referred to his work as revolutionary through his artistic portrayals of the common man, as Pissarro insisted on painting individuals in natural settings. Pissarro is the only artist to have shown his work at all 8 Paris Impressionist exhibitions from 1874 to 1886. He acted as a father figure not only to the Impressionists, but to all 4 of the major post-Impressionists, Cézanne, Seurat, Gauguin, and Van Gogh.